Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about role of kidney in acid-base balance. First, introduction. The kidney have two main way to maintain the acid-base balance. Their cells reabsorb the bicarbonate from the urine back to the blood, or they secrete hydrogen ion into the urine. That means excreted out from the body. So by adjusting the amount of reabsorbed and secreted, the balance the blood stream of pH. So how pH is maintained in the blood? To balance the bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. So our kidney filter blood continuously by distributing the blood that comes into the kidney or to the nephron. 1 million of functional, structural and functional unit of kidney called nephron. We have already discussed the part. Each nephron is made up of glomerulus or Bowman's capsule, where the blood is filter begins. When the blood is passes through the glomerulus, 20% of the plasma passes out and 80% return back. We have already studied. And reabsorption of the good stuff like water and electrolyte are again reabsorbed through the efferent arteriole, and the waste material like urea, amino acid, like acid and other product are other unwanted material are excreted out through renal tubular system. Already we have studied this part. So the renal tubule is a structure of several segments: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and descending convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, which winds a twist back up again before emptying into the collecting duct. So which collect the final urine. So each of these tubule is lined by Bros border cell. So the inner lining of the tubule is the Bros border cell, which have two surfaces. One is the apical surface that faces the tubular lumen and is lined with microvilli, which are teeny little projections that increase the cell surface area to help with the solute reabsorption. So how the solute is reabsorbed? Through the apical surface. Through the apical surface, which are lined with microvilli, and other is basolateral surface, which faces the peritubular capillaries, which run alongside the nephron. So with the bicarbonate reabsorption, the filtrate leaves the glomerulus. It first goes through the proximal convoluted tubule. So now at first this filtrate contain the same concentration of electrolyte as plasma. Obviously, that means the pH of blood or plasma is same as the pH of proximal convoluted tubule. Whatever the plasma filtrate is same, but when the molecule of bicarbonate approaches the apical surface, the Bros border, it binds with hydrogen ion or hydrogen secreted by the Bros border cell in exchange for a sodium ion from the tubule to form carbonic acid. So what happened? Let's see the figure also. Let's see the figure. How the hydrogen secreted. So occur in the proximal convoluted tubule when carbon dioxide combine with hydrogen to form bicarbonate. Again, it is H plus ion is secreted in exchange of sodium. Then net production of bicarbonate and excretion of hydrogen ion. This is the mechanism serve to increase the alkali reserve. So let's see. Now first the filtrate contain the same concentration of electrolyte as the plasma it came from. But when the molecule of bicarbonate approach the apical surface, the brush border cell it bind with hydrogen ion. That means when the plasma passes through the proximal convoluted tubule, then where the hydrogen ion is present at the brush border cell, it exchange the sodium ion. That means sodium is again reabsorbed and H plus ion excreted out. At that point, the enzyme called carbonic anhydrase enzyme, type for which lurks the tubule in the microvilli like a shark. So, unlike the charge of bicarbonate ion, which struck the tubule, the water and carbon dioxide happily diffuse across the membrane into the cell, whereas the carbonic anhydrase type 2 facilitate the reverse action, combining them to form carbonic acid, which dissolve into the bicarbonate and hydrogen. A sodium bicarbonate, a co-transporter on the basolateral surface, snatches up or bicarbonate and nearby sodium and shuttle both into the blood. Alternatively, bicarbonate chloride exchange bicarbonate with chloride leaving with the blood stream to the enter the cell. So, at this chemically tricky effective 99.9% filtered bicarbonate that is returned back to the bloodstream, and hydrogen ion, the positive charge do not naturally want to pass through cell membrane, so it is excreted out in the form of urine. They pushed out. So this is the introduction part. Let's see the role of kidney in acid balance. Kidney plays an important role to maintain the acid-base balance, first excreting hydrogen ion and retaining the biocarbonate. How it retain? Let's see in the figure. When it mix or when the plasma passes through the proximal convoluted tubule, water and carbon dioxide mix, hydrogen ion formed and hydrogen exchange. It excreted out and sodium again reabsorbed. So this is the exchange with the help of carbonic anhydrase enzyme. Normally the urine acidic in pH in 4.5 to 6. The kidney cell produce constant amount of hydrogen ion and bicarbonate because their own cellular metabolism. Whether the kidney remove hydrogen or bicarbonate in the urine depends upon the amount of bicarbonate filtered in the glomerulus, formed relatively to the amount of hydrogen secreted by the kidney. If the amount of filtered bicarbonate is greater than the amount of secreted hydrogen, then the bicarbonate will be lost in the urine. Likewise, if the amount of secreted hydrogen ion is greater than amount of filtered bicarbonate, then the hydrogen ion will be lost in the urine. So, see in the second figure also. This balance the acid base balance by the kidney. The response of kidney balance the acid base. So, how bicarbonate is or hydrogen ion is excreted out and the bicarbonate is retained in the plasma. This is all about your acid base balance by the kidney. Let us discuss in ODIA also the role of kidney in acid base balance. केमती acid base balance टाकू maintain करुचे. One of the function of kidney आमे जानिछु जे the maintain the pH. So how maintain the pH? केमती pH टाकू maintain करुचे ना केमिति बॉडी रु हाइड्रोजन आयन टाकू बॉडी रु बाहर कर दउची एवं बाइकार्बोनेट टाकू अगेन रीएब्जॉर्ब करुचे. सेटा होची मेन मेकानिज्म ऑफ by role of kidney in acid base balance. So केमिति मेंटेन करछि ना आमे जानिछु जे किडनी रे proximal convoluted, distal convoluted और loop of Henle अछि जो renal tubule बा Bowman's capsule बा ग्लोमेरुलास एगुड़ा छाणी होची वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द एनाटॉमी सो देखिबा जे केमिति जो मेंटेन करछि see in the figure occur in the proximal convoluted tubule माने छाणी हला परे जेतले एफरेंट आर्टरी देकी ब्लड आसुची 80% रिटर्न बैक टू द थ्रू द इफरेंट आर्टेरियल और 20% फिल्टर होची ए 20% रु तो देखिबा जे प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड रे छाणी हला परे ता भितरे जो हाइड्रोजन आयन गुडा को केमिति एक्सक्रीटेड आउट होची आ बाइकार्बोनेट गुडा को केमिति अगेन रीएब्जॉर्ब होची जिते बेले इन प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबुल रे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंबाइन विथ वाटर टू फॉर्म H2CO3 it dissociate to form HCO3 plus H plus bicarbonate plus H plus H plus टाको केमिति एक्सक्रिएटेड आउट होबो बॉडी रे ना H plus आयन तयारी ही गला H plus ion secreted in exchange of sodium that means sodium टाको see in the figure tubular lumen रू sodium टाको पळे आसी tubular cell एवं H plus ion टाको बाहर को बाहरी जे जो सोडियम आयन टाको थिला the essential element again it is reabsorbed and H plus ion it is excreted out so the net production of bicarbonate and net excretion of H plus it is the bicarbonate or the sodium are these are the essential elements so these are again reabsorbed and H plus ion it is excreted out जो जिनसटा एठी कोइछि किडनी plays an important role in the maintenance of acid base first one excreted out hydrogen ion or retaining the bicarbonate ion then normally maintain habo pH टाको 4.5 to 6 so the amount of hydrogen ion and bicarbonate because they are cellular metabolism or carbonic anhydrase enzyme is involved एवडा सब रहिछि ना एसिड बेस बैलेंस एटा भी फिगर रे बाइकार्बोनेट H plus आयन मेंटेन हेकी रखि थाए pH टा जेतळे इम्बैलेंस हबो जेतळे ब्लड टाको फिल्टर हबो इन प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबुल रे H plus आयन टा एक्सक्रिएटेड आउट in exchange of sodium and bicarbonate also reabsorb and maintain the pH balance this is all about your acid base balance by the kidney. Thank you.